Hi babies, how are you? This is your girl J Baby and welcome back to the channel. Okay y'all, so today I have Heraremy, which is a wig lookbook. Heraremy, I have did a couple of videos on them before, and I did like lookbooks, and that's when I'll have like 3 wigs or 2 wigs or something like that. So I'm super excited. I picked out a couple of wigs and they sent me my box, so let's go ahead on and get started. Now some of these wigs I don't think that I'm going to actually style them. I'm just gonna basically show you what I got, and I'm gonna apply it, and then I'll come back and I'll talk about it, show you what it looks like. Okay, and everything that you need will be in the description bar for these wigs that I got from Heraremy. I'm super excited to be able to try these, so thank you so much, Heraremy. So the first one right here is this one, this box. Well, it looks not this one, but this box. It looks like this box right. The packaging, y'all. This is what the packaging looks like. Okay, so the first wig is going to be, I think it's Asia. And this is how it come packaged. So let me go ahead and take this off here. Okay, it's Asia and the color 613 something. This is really cute. Okay, so you see we have natural lace right here. And we have the parting space. This is how much parting space you get, which is really a really nice long length. It's not a lot as far as the width, but the length is really long. So I like that. This is what it looks like. She comes with 2 combs in the front, a comb in the back, as well as adjustable straps. So she's really pretty. And she has baby hairs. It looks like she has baby hairs in here. So I will put down in the description bar everything that you would need to be able to know, well, the specs. And also, you know, how she is, where she is, and all of that. You would get all of that. So, but look at the coloring in this wig. Beautiful. So I'm going to go try her on. I'm going to cut the lace. I'm going to go try her on, style her, and then I'll be right back. Asia is really nice. She is really pretty, really sexy. So what I'm gonna do is take some She Is Balm, and it is a hair wax stick, and I'm just gonna put it here, all up in here, because I want it a little flatter. But this has like a natural little hump right there. I think she is like gorgeous. I'm just gonna flatten it just a little bit. I will let you know down in the description bar what the heating section is. All of the details of this wig will be next to the link that I'm going to put there. I have a braid right here, but it's actually a hump that's right here still, that you can wear it like that, so it's not like my hair is sitting out there. I'm wondering if I should open the part up a little bit more. No, I'm not gonna open it up anymore. So this is look number 1, and she is just gorgeous. She is. I noticed that I do have a little bit of shedding, but Heraremy wigs is really nice wigs. It's super soft though, super soft, and you see I'm bringing the comb straight through it. It's a nice, sexy wig. Oh, she's so soft. Okay, y'all, I done just took some pictures in this and I really enjoyed it. This hair right here is really nice, but let's get into the next one. The next one is, oh, this is Ashlyn. This is Ashlyn right here. And she's like a burgundy wavy wig. She's really cute. Really nice and wavy. Oh, she is gorgeous. Look at the bounce on this sister, honey. Yes. Okay, inside we have like an L-shaped parting. You see that parting? Like an L-shaped parting. And she has a comb, 2 combs in the front, like Asia, and 1 in the back, and adjustable straps on the side. So I'm gonna go try this little lady on. Okay, y'all. Yes, baby. Yes. So this is Ashlyn right here. I don't know if she's like a side part. Y'all know I like a side part though. I really do like a side part. But she's a lot with the side part, so. Oh, wait a minute, what is this? Okay, so maybe she's supposed to be a side part so she can droop down like that. Okay, let me go and finesse her. If y'all hear any noise in the background, it's because people are working. She is like a little cutie. So let's go ahead on and turn these on, honey. And oh, they making so much noise. Do you see the color of Ashlyn? She is just beautiful, girl. Super sexy. But she don't have any lace, so you can't like thin anything out. But for the price, I think it is very nice. All right now, y'all, so I went on and took some pictures. That way you can be able to see them on the gram. So I am at the last wig now, and this last wig is, okay, this should be a straight wig. Where's my card for her? I don't know my card for her, but I don't know. I think this is one I took out before because she was just so gorgeous. I wanted to see the colors that was in it. So what I'm gonna do is try her on. I will have down in the description bar what it is, what she is, her name, her color and everything. She has the black dark roots, honey. She is really cute. The dark roots, and she's like an orangey something. She is gorgeous. Okay, inside we have, oh, we have more lace. Yes, I like it when it's more lace because then you can be able to pluck and customize it the way you need to customize it. So she has this. She's gorgeous. I really like this one out of all of them, I can say. And she has a comb here, a comb here. She seems like she's big hair friendly for real. She even had baby hairs. A comb in the back, and like I said, she has more lace. So I will definitely put on the screen what she is, honey, as I'm editing it. And she has a nice little body, like wavy, like body wave type look, and she feels really light. Y'all can tell I like her. She has a little silkiness to her, but that can be really fixed. So I'm gonna go try her on. Look how natural she looked though. Okay, y'all, so if you see her, she look like she is gonna be bae, okay? She is like super light. Oh my goodness. I really like this one. Let me see if I comb her. Please don't go crazy on me. Oh my goodness, when you comb her, she is, oh my goodness. I still have hair wax on here. She is super light. Y'all, they working on my patio, so please forgive it. Oh, she is bae. You see how natural looking she looks? She looks really natural looking. This is what I'm talking about. So this one I feel like it's effortlessly. It's really not much you have to do with her, but just make sure that her hair is down. I am getting some shedding after I cut the lace. I noticed that I wasn't getting it before, but I'm getting it after I cut the lace. I just really like this natural look. I'm gonna leave her just the way she is because you don't have to really do anything. I don't want any baby hairs on her. Let me see if I can get away with that. Yes, I can. She is like gorgeous, y'all. Like really natural looking. This is like a chill wig. Just, you don't have to do anything much to her. Cut the lace, make sure that she's down, and that's basically it. Oh, this is bae right here. This is bae. So that's it. I'm not gonna put any baby hairs down. I don't think I need it. I'm not even gonna put any powder in it because she is natural looking. This is what she looks like. Hunty, she is gorgeous. And she's super light, so super duper light. So, yes, honey. So I quickly got through these Heraremy wigs because of the fact of the matter, honey, that 3 wigs is a lot of wigs to review all at one time. Now, if I had it with, I could do it one this day, one another day, and it'll be fine. But I'm like, 3 wigs at one time and all that lace on my forehead is just definitely not going to work. And y'all, I just picked up the new Kiss Almighty Bond Kit. This right here comes with the remover and the bond. But let me tell you something. I use the Ghost Bond, Platinum, and all of them. This Kiss Almighty from the Beauty Hair Store, is banging, okay? This right here is, girl, it's waterproof and everything. You don't have to worry about none of that. It is waterproof. I'm telling you, waterproof, and I will not lie to you. This is waterproof. I tried it, and it was like I couldn't get the wig off. So I use the remover. But the remover, when you use, it's kind of sticky, but if you use alcohol, then you will get it off even better, even quicker. Y'all, I love this wig. This is going to be my go-to wig for today. And this is the wig I saved for last because this is the one that I really like and I'm going to keep it on. And actually I have it with, though it's no lace on it and it feels like it's down with the comb. So yes, honey, so I like it. I really do like it. It feels so soft. It's big hair friendly and it's also very light. Very light. I feel like I don't have anything on my head, so that's what I really like about this. Okay, I really like it. Really do like it. So you guys know at the end, I tell you sometimes if you stay till the end, then you will get blessed. If sometimes you stay till the end, you get blessed. So I want to actually send this burgundy wig to someone. If you like it big and curly, y'all know I didn't do anything but just put a little She Is Balm on it and everything is still attached. I just took the lace off. So this is going to be a giveaway for somebody who won it. If you would like this wig, comment down below that Jay, send me this big burgundy wig, girl, because this wig is beautiful. Okay, she is beautiful, real nice waves, and I will get her out to you, period. Okay, for staying until the end and just for being a faithful subscriber of mine. Okay, so actually the diamond shoes that I had, slides that I had got, I found someone to send that to. I didn't announce it. You know what I'm saying? If you look down in the comment section, you probably see if I, if you see that I text somebody back. I may have told them to get in touch with me on Instagram, and they did. So I'm sending the shoes out to them. So this wig, this beautiful wig right here, I'm going to send out to somebody if you would like it. It's big hair friendly. We already know we had 2 combs and everything. Y'all just saw me just try it on one time, honey. And that's it. It's going back in the box, and I will ship it out to whoever would like this wig, and I will go in and see who I want to send this wig to once you comment down below, and I will send it to you. Okay, all right. So like J Baby says, be blessed and not stressed, and J Baby is signing off. Mwah. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Also push your post notification bell, that way that when I upload you will know, because I have some more wigs, and I have some hauls that I have. Okay, all right. Be blessed and not stressed, and J Baby is signing off. Mwah.